Finding the perfect cookware can feel overwhelming with so many options available. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and stylish solution, this non-stick frying pan skillet set is a game changer. This set includes 8-inch, 9/5, and 11-inch frying pans, making it perfect for everything from small breakfasts to family-sized meals. With features like eco-friendly ceramic non-stick coating and compatibility with all stoves, this cookware set is designed to elevate your cooking experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Why choose the non-stick frying pan skillet set? Number 1. Premium ceramic non-stick coating. Say goodbye to sticky messes and burnt food. The eco-friendly ceramic non-stick coating, free from PFOS and PFOA, ensures your meals slide right off the pan with minimal effort. This means healthier cooking with less oil and butter, plus an easier cleanup afterward. Number 2. Compatible with all stovetops. One of the standout features of this pan set is its compatibility. Whether you use gas, induction, ceramic, halogen, or electric stoves, this set works seamlessly. The high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensures even heating for consistent results every time. Number 3. Stylish granite pattern design. Who says cookware can't look great? The granite pattern design gives these pans a modern and sophisticated appearance, making them a beautiful addition to your kitchen. Plus, the black finish complements any kitchen decor. Number 4. Durability and even heating. Thanks to the extended and thickened bottom design, these pans are built to last. They heat quickly and evenly, eliminating hot spots that can ruin your meals. Whether you're cooking delicate omelets or hearty steaks, you can count on consistent performance. Number 5. Easy to clean. Tired of scrubbing pans? The Rivetless interior prevents food buildup and makes cleaning effortless. A simple wipe with a paper towel or a quick rinse under water is all it takes. For added convenience, the pans are dishwasher safe, handles recommended to be removed for washing. How it performs in everyday cooking. This set is ideal for a wide range of culinary tasks. The 8-inch pan is perfect for frying eggs or making small servings, while the 9.5-inch and 11-inch pans handle larger portions like stir-fries, pancakes, and one-pan dinners. The non-stick coating performs flawlessly, allowing food to release effortlessly, even with minimal oil. Plus, the pan's compatibility with ovens means you can finish dishes like frittatas or baked pasta directly in the same pan, saving you time and extra dishes. What sets this cookware apart? The non-stick frying pan skillet set isn't just about convenience, it's about creating a better cooking experience. Its eco-friendly materials make it a healthier choice for your family, while its versatile design ensures you can use it for virtually any recipe. Unlike traditional pans, these are free from harmful chemicals and prioritize your safety. Pros and cons. Pros. Eco-friendly ceramic non-stick coating, stylish and modern granite pattern design. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, even heating with a durable build. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, handles removable. Cons. Handles need to be removed for optimal dishwasher cleaning. Non-stick coating may wear over time with improper use. Is this the right pan set for you? If you're looking for cookware that combines healthier cooking, aesthetic appeal, and versatile performance, the non-stick frying pan skillet set is an excellent investment. Perfect for both novice and seasoned cooks, this set simplifies meal prep and cleanup while delivering professional-grade results. Final thoughts. The non-stick frying pan skillet set offers unmatched convenience, durability, and style, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're flipping pancakes or searing meats, these pans will help you achieve better results with less hassle. Don't miss out on this amazing cookware set. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.